Questions and answers about HVAC systems. What is an HVAC system? An HVAC system stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is a system that controls the temperature, humidity, and air quality in a building. HVAC systems are used in homes, businesses, and other buildings to create a comfortable indoor environment. What are the different types of HVAC systems? There are many different types of HVAC systems, but they can be broadly divided into two categories: central and split systems. Central systems have a single indoor unit that is connected to an outdoor unit. Split systems have two indoor units and one outdoor unit. How does an HVAC system work? An HVAC system works by circulating air throughout a building. The air is filtered to remove dust and other contaminants, and then it is heated or cooled to the desired temperature. The air is then humidified or dehumidified to the desired level, and it is then distributed throughout the building. How can I choose the right HVAC system for my home or business? The best way to choose the right HVAC system for your home or business is to consult with a qualified HVAC contractor. They can assess your needs and recommend the best system for your budget and space. What are the benefits of an HVAC system? HVAC systems provide many benefits, including improved comfort, better indoor air quality, reduced energy consumption, extended building life. How can I maintain my HVAC system? Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your HVAC system running efficiently and effectively. You should have your system inspected and serviced by a qualified HVAC contractor at least once a year. Here are some additional frequently asked questions and answers about HVAC systems. How much does an HVAC system cost? The cost of an HVAC system can vary depending on the size and type of system, as well as the cost of labor and materials in your area. However, you can expect to pay anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 for a new HVAC system. What is the difference between an air conditioner and a heat pump? An air conditioner is a device that cools air. A heat pump is a device that can both cool air in the summer and heat air in the winter. What is SEER and how does it affect the efficiency of an HVAC system? SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. It is a measure of how efficiently an air conditioner or heat pump cools air. The higher the SEER rating, the more efficient the unit. What are some signs that my HVAC system needs repair? Some signs that your HVAC system needs repair include strange noises, unusual odors, poor airflow, fluctuations in temperature, increased energy consumption. How can I save money on my HVAC costs? There are a number of things you can do to save money on your HVAC costs, including regularly changing your air filters, scheduling regular maintenance. Check description for much more.